If you're not receiving Tesco Bank app notifications, it's likely due to a few common reasons. First, check your device's notification permissions for the Tesco Bank app. On both iOS and Android, you need to explicitly allow the app to send alerts. Go to your device's settings, find the Tesco Bank app, and ensure notifications are enabled for banners, sounds, and badges. Secondly, focus mode on iOS or Do Not Disturb on Android might be silencing notifications unintentionally. These features block alerts to minimize distractions. Finally, verify that you've enabled the specific alerts you want within the Tesco Bank app itself, such as transaction notifications and security alerts. Start by clearing the app's cache and restarting your device. Go to your device's settings, find the Tesco Bank app, and clear its cache. Then, restart your phone to refresh the system and eliminate temporary glitches. Ensure the Tesco Bank app is updated to the latest version. Open your App Store, search for Tesco Bank, and install any available updates to fix known notification bugs. Next, check focus mode settings on iOS or Do Not Disturb exceptions on Android. On iOS, go to Settings, Focus, select your mode, then Apps, and allow notifications from Tesco Bank. On Android, go to Settings, Sound and Vibration, Do Not Disturb, Exceptions, and whitelist the app. Within the Tesco Bank app, navigate to Settings, then Alerts, and confirm that the desired notification types are toggled on, such as transaction notifications, security alerts, and offers. Be aware that aggressive battery optimization on Android might interfere. Go to Settings, Apps, Tesco Bank, Battery, and exclude the app from battery restrictions to prevent notifications from being blocked. If problems persist, try reinstalling the app. Uninstall Tesco Bank from your device, then reinstall it from the App Store to reset all settings and potentially resolve deeper issues.